Zach is currently 9 years older than Nick. If Zach was 3 times older than Nick 21 years ago, how old is Zach now? So to solve this, what we want to do is set up some sort of equation for each of these statements. So let's look at the first one. It tells us that Zach is currently 9 years older than Nick. So let's call Zach's age in years Z. So let's say Z equals 9 plus N. And the second statement tells us that Zach was 3 times older than Nick was 21 years ago. So Z equals 3 times N, but that was 21 years ago. So minus 21. So let's try and solve for N. So if we look at the first statement and the second statement, they both say Z equals something. So Z equals 9 plus N, and Z is also equal to 3n minus 21. Then 9 plus N must also equal 3n minus 21. So let's go ahead and write that down. Okay, and let's go ahead and rearrange this a little bit. So let's add 21 to each side first. So 30 plus N equals 3n. And now let's go ahead and isolate N so we can subtract by 1 on each side, or 1n on each side. So 30 equals 2n is what that'll give us. And then just dividing by 2, we get that Nick is 15 years old. But we're asked to find how old Zach is. So if we look at the first equation, it tells us that Zach is 9 years older than Nick. So what we can do is just plug that in. So Z equals 9 plus N. Now let's just plug this 15 for N. So Zach equals 9 plus 15, which gives us that Zach is 24 years old. I hope this was helpful. Go ahead and do me a favor and hit like, and have a great day.